Hi, so I've just recently published a blog post and I wanted to go through the specifics of how you kind of see this log data. So let's go through the example. So let's ask ChatGPT with the search function to tell me about the digital agency roast. So what you'll see here is there'll be links or citations. And then once this is finished, we can click the sources button and we can see all of this information. So what we found out is that when this happens, basically ChatGPT sends a bot over to your site just quickly to check the status of these pages. Might do some other RAG related stuff, but what's important is that this then tells us that somebody's asked a question and you've been listed as a citation. So how do we find out this information? So the way that we do this is, first of all, we need to just get this raw data. Quickest way to do this is just to go into our network tab, reload, and we can grab this JSON file here, which the name, the URL here matches the ID here in the URL. So you grab that. This little tool we built, it's free if you want to go to it. Put the JSON in there, and this easily then just extracts the different domains and the different URLs. So you can see here from We Are Roast, it's got 5 different URLs that it pulled from: homepage, about us, contacts, media, services page, and content marketing page. Now, what we can now do is we can go over to our log file. So I'm just going to get the raw ones, so you won't be able to see this web page because I don't want to show you how where our log files are. So we just download that, and we get our current ones, and that will basically give us a live view. So let me just open that. It's just taking a second. Let's see if it opens. Here we go. And this is the raw file. But what if we do, if you go down to the bottom, we search for ChatGPT user, you can see that there are all these times where ChatGPT is referenced. And what we'll just see here quickly is we'll have news, the home page, our content marketing, our services page, and our media page. So basically what you can start to say is, like, if you get a quick request from the ChatGPT user bot in quick succession, you're more than likely that you've just appeared in a result on ChatGPT. So that's not a sustainable way of getting this information. What we have here is we can see we've got a Looker Studio report, and we're automating this. And so we can start to see that we've had 316 of these times where the ChatGPT user session has come. So obviously you need to do a little bit of maths and say, well, on average it's listing 5 or 6 different results, or we could have a script that just combines when they're within the same 10 seconds of each other. That's probably one user asking a question, which is then appearing in ChatGPT results. A few other things that this report does is we're looking at the other bot. So the bot, which basically is more for training. So how over time can you get that bot to come back and cover all of your website? So yeah, have a look at the blog post about this. You can also grab this. You can make a copy, duplicate it, put in your own information in there. But I just wanted to follow up with a little bit more of detail of how we actually get this data at a raw level and then how we're automating it afterwards. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.